abantu bayaqhubeka baphila impilo yayizolo. For you to be able to reach the destiny, ungaphili impilo yayizolo, kodwa phela uyakhona ungakafiki. Ungcono umuntu oboshiwe eJenifama ukunomuntu oboshiwe kanti uboshwe ipasi yakhe. Sometimes ufuna uqala izinto ezingcono, ushaywa abantu abaseceleni kwakho ukuthi bazi, ngoba kunabantu abaphila impilo engesiyona yayo, baphila impilo yokukhothamela abanye abantu. Wena umusa mawusufikile, ungalibali ukubambelela ezintweni ezenzeka izolo. Start your journey. Ubanjwe yini uqala kabusha? Ubanjwe yini ukwenza kangcono? All those things ezikushaya izolo zipheliwa beyizifundo zanamuhla. Nansi danger. If you always focus into people they disturb, others they can come to advise, to teach. Bengakufundisi kodwa bekulimaza. Leave your past. Focus in your journey. Stop ukukhuluma ngepast uthi no, hayi mina bekuyinto zami zayizolo. No, that is nonsense. Mawusashawa izinto kade zikushaya izolo, awukakwazi ukudlula, usaphila yona impilo yokubona yayizolo. Oh, come on, man. Leave your past. Focus in your future. There is something better for you in the future. Stop to destroy yourself. Stop to live a life to please other people.